bizarre creature has came to our house and now has his own bed, his own toy, his own water, his own food in the house. This bizarre creature has been spotted moving all about. You! Yes, you! Hey, look at me! Look at me when I'm talking to you! No. Cut. No. Then we did. I went back. I had to smack him in the head and nose. We're starting off him. He's watching his prey. Now he's deciding to come over here. I don't mind that. I'll just do it again. Wait. Meow. Say hello. He was just. See that one? He just kept. His bed's all the way over there. Meanwhile, him, right here. Meanwhile, his bed's over there at the door, and he's right here. Meow. Who? Meow. What? By just watching a bathtub. See that green thing over there? He's watching a bathtub. Well, there's a metal chasing us. Meow. Buddy. Hey, Mama. I think Meow's had his visit